Honk.
Is that dog making you nervous? Yeah, he's friendly.
He has the worst body language ever, but he's friendly.
Did you see a fire? No? You want to come play with me? You just want to see everything. Okay, come play with me. Come here, Honk. Come here, Honk. You have your dad's face. Hi. Come here, puppy. Yeah, bring it. Come here, puppy. Come on. Up, 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 up. Come on. Good boy. Come here. Come on.
He's got a nice chest.
He's got Magic's neck.
He's got Minnie's rear.
Oh, you want more pets? Forget the toys. Give me the pets. That didn't go anywhere, did it? Come here, puppy. Yes, good job. Yes, good job. Yeah, you do it again. You didn't see. You didn't see. Oh, yeah. Hey, good job.
And he was like, wait, can I get both of them?
Where'd it go? Go find it.
Lola.
Where's your toy? Did you give up? You're so close. You almost worked that out. Almost. Good job. Yeah, good job.
Small head shake, but.
Yeah, did his face.
So I pee.
He's more concerned about fire.
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh yeah. Come here. That's how Cassie ran. Head up, butt down. Yeah. Come here. Come here. You want to do that one? You think it's easier? It's not. I asked you to do the easy one. Come here. Come here. Come here, Hunk. Come on, Hunk. Come on. Can you put 2 feet on? Hey. 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 Can you put up 2 feet? Come here, Hunk.
Oh, your pant legs just turned into a toy.
Yeah. My shoelace too. Good boy. Yeah. You got 2 feet. You got 3? Do you got 3? Come on. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Ready? Come here.
Oh, he wants to hold your hand.
Yeah.
Oh, it's such a magic move.
Come here. I know. Come on. Get me. Oh, that don't work. That don't work. Come on back. Hey. Come here. Come on. Yes. Yes. Come on. That's not going to work either. Oh, you're done? You get your tail. Come on. Come get it. Come and get it. Like maybe I can find a new toy. Nope. It says, you pushed it too far. That's too hard.
He says, but I'm going to get your leg. Crash, boom, bang.
Come here. Come here, kids. Come on. Honk. I got you.
Lola.
I give him kisses. Do you give kisses? Okay, hey, we're not going anywhere. We're not done. We're not done. I got you. I've got you. You're fine. See? 2 hands. Hey, where do you think you're going? You look like a honk. Thank you. Hey, stop that. Say, hey, stop that.
He's long in the body.
Come on. Oh, did it scare the pee out of you? That's a good way of saying, I'm not scared. Yeah, you get it. Good job. Yeah, you get it. Good job. Oh, set the spot. Set the spot. Okay, let's see. Where's the minefields at?
He's looking for his toy. Excuse me, do you have my toy?